Ever wondered why your car feels safer than ever? Well, that's thanks to automotive safety systems, designed to protect both drivers and passengers in every possible situation. Automotive safety refers to all the technologies and designs incorporated inside a vehicle to prevent accidents and minimize injuries when accidents occur. Take airbags for instance. In 2013, a serious crash involving a Toyota Camry demonstrated the life-saving power of these safety features. Despite a severe collision, the passengers walked away with very minor injuries. Why? Because the car's side airbags deployed on time and reinforced safety cage absorbed much of the impact. Automotive safety is divided into two categories: active and passive. Active safety includes systems like anti-lock braking system (ABS), electronic stability control, and lane keeping assistance. These features actively work to prevent accidents by giving the driver more control, even in emergency situations. For example, a 2018 study showed that cars with lane keeping assist experienced 11% fewer crashes on highways. Passive safety, on the other hand, focuses on minimizing injury once an accident has occurred. This includes features like airbags, seat belts, and crumple zones designed to absorb energy in a crash. In recent years, innovations such as adaptive cruise control and collision avoidance have moved the needle further, making cars more proactive in preventing accidents altogether. So, the next time you step into your car, remember that these safety features are working around the clock to keep you protected. Stay tuned for our next video where we will explore how automotive regulations are behind these life-saving innovations. Thank you.